Hi, I'm Gary, manager of the Swiss department here at Erickson Automatics for the past 15 years. We're a custom, precision screw machine shop. Let me show you around. Our Citizen machines can hold tolerances of plus or minus 2/10,000ths of an inch. That's like taking a piece of paper and slicing it in half 20 times. This is my favorite machine here, Citizen L20 Type 12. It's a 9-axis machine with a programmable B-axis and a Y-axis on the sub. The B-axis is programmable with 130 degrees of rotation, so you can mill, drill, and tap at any of these angles. The Y-axis on the sub opens up a couple more rows of tooling spots. So this is a very well-equipped machine. All of the extra tooling makes it possible to make complex parts complete. Our machines are well-maintained and well-equipped with magazine bar loaders, live tooling, C-axis, and high-pressure coolant. We also have a 6-spindle Acme Gridley department that is ideal for your less complex parts. We look forward to working with you.